get off this peel now. Then you get the fire in the oven. And then when it's in the oven and it comes out, the pizza looks like this. And then the oven floor looks like this, which is very, very annoying. Well, we've all been there, let's admit it. So here's a little hack for the beginner. Try a bit of greaseproof paper. So this is 70% hydration dough, so really high hydration. So if you feel that it's not going right and sticking everywhere, just pop it on there and it will stick to the greaseproof paper and make it easier to shape as well. So there you go, just pushing it out with my hands. Trim off a bit of excess. Admittedly on this video I could have trimmed off quite a bit more, but I didn't, so put some toppings on. And put some cheese on and what have you. And it's the last pizza day, so I'll put bits of everything on. Now, watch this. How easy is this? Oh, there it goes. No sticking to the peel, into the Roccbox. Now, it does smoke a little bit, but it doesn't burn it too much. And after a little bit, you'll be able to then take off the greaseproof paper. There you go. And then take the pizza out as normal. And look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful pizza. So there you go. That's a nice little hack if you're using high hydration doughs and you're not wanting it to stick to the oven. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.